Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English Evolution Step 1, where we make learning English fun and easy. Today, we're going to learn about descriptive adjectives. Descriptive adjectives are words that describe nouns, giving us more information about them. Let's dive in. Using descriptive adjectives in sentences is quite simple. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you. 1. Identify the noun. First, find the noun you want to describe. A noun is a person, place, thing, or idea. 2. Choose an adjective. Pick a descriptive adjective that fits the noun. The adjective should give more information about the noun. 3. Place the adjective. Usually, the adjective goes before the noun in English. Example, noun and adjective. Smile is a noun and happy is an adjective. We place the adjective before the noun that it describes. Example, she has a happy smile. Repeat after me. Happy? She has a happy smile. Sad. The sad movie made me cry. Angry? He was angry about the mistake. Excited? The kids are excited for the trip. Tired. I feel tired after a long day. Brave. The brave firefighter saved the cat. Calm. The calm sea is beautiful. Bright. The bright sun is shining. Dark. The dark room was scary. Clean. The clean kitchen looks great. Dirty. The dirty car needs washing. Cold. The cold weather requires a jacket. Hot. The hot soup is delicious. Fast. The fast car won the race. Slow. The slow turtle crossed the road. Funny? The funny joke made everyone laugh. Serious. He has a serious expression. Gentle. The gentle breeze feels nice. Rough. The rough surface is hard to touch. Hard. The hard rock is heavy. Soft. The soft pillow is comfortable. Heavy. The heavy box is difficult to lift. Light. The light feather floated down. Large. The large elephant is impressive. Small. The small mouse is cute. Long. The long road stretches ahead. Short. The short story was interesting. New. The new book smells fresh. Old. The old house has character. Quiet. The quiet library is peaceful. Loud. The loud music is energetic. Rich. The rich man donated money. Poor. The poor family needs help. Strong. The strong athlete lifted weights. Weak. The weak plant needs water. Sweet. The sweet candy tastes good. Bitter. The bitter coffee is strong. Tall. The tall building touches the sky. Short. The short boy is fast. Warm. The warm blanket is cozy. That's all for today's lesson on descriptive adjectives. I hope you found these examples helpful and easy to understand. Don't forget to practice using these adjectives in your own sentences. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to English Evolution Step 1 for more fun and easy English lessons. See you next time.